This is the Moukey Bluetooth 5.0 stereo amplifier receiver. So this is a Bluetooth receiver that you would connect up to your own speakers. Comes with a remote control. So you got a little power button on there, mute mode, and volume selection, as well as being able to skip through songs. Awesome little device, super kind of compact and portable, but has a ton of power on there. So at its peak, it can go up to about 500 watts, and it has an upgraded chip within it. So sound quality on there will sound on point. Bluetooth 5.0, so no issues with connection. You can see the connections on the back too for connecting your speakers, as well as an aux input and power. Very simple to operate as well as to set up on there. There is also a earphone monitoring function, so you can connect your earphones if you want to just have it quiet in your ears. So that very cool that way. As far as setup goes, you can see I'm just placing that power cord in there and connecting the cord to the plug. So basically just keep it plugged in. And it also has some little stools at the bottom of it to give it a little bit of a stand. Definitely check it out.